Son, today's meals are all about pocketbook meals. Jamie and I are trying to help you with your food budget today.
That's what everybody wants, is good food at a fair price.
Absolutely. I'm gonna slice us up some squash, and we're gonna fry them up. Now, Jamie's gonna mix up our dry ingredients. I'm gonna slice our squash. I've got 4 yellow squash here. You know, y'all, it's all about the seasons. When they're at their peak, they're the most inexpensive.
I'm gonna go ahead and do this, y'all, so I can help Mama with the squash. I'm gonna put 1 cup of cornmeal, cup of meal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, got a half a teaspoon of baking powder. And I love, 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 love all the flavors that are in Creole seasoning. So I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of Creole seasoning here, Mom. Before I turn it around, I'm gonna add a salt and pepper.
Yeah, but add a big pinch of salt, son, because you're working with all purposes here, which contain no salt. All right, now, son, I have got my squash sliced, and so I'm gonna break 3 eggs into my bowl. The shell, I don't charge extra for that, y'all. A little bit of shell in there. And I'm gonna pour about a half a cup of buttermilk in. And I'm just eyeballing that. And I'm gonna beat that together, and we're gonna run our squash through our eggs and buttermilk so that our dry coating will stick. And now I'm just gonna throw my squash right in to our buttermilk and eggs. And you can see about how thick I've sliced them. I don't particularly want these too thin, but I don't want them too thick either. So they're ready for you, son, when you're ready.
Let's get them in the flour and we'll drop them in the fryer.
Okay, sounds good.
We'll get these coated up really well.
We're gonna drop those down in the deep fryer, y'all. And let them cook until they're nice and brown. All right, those are looking good.
These aren't gonna take that long.
Yeah, I wouldn't handle them too much until that coating has a chance to get brown and stick to them good, son. But they're brown and nice and quick. Look at those, yum.
These aren't gonna take but 1 second.
I'm gonna turn that down. It's just a hair over 350 degrees on the deep fryer, so I'm gonna put it exactly on 350. How about our meat?
We'll get about 2 sandwiches out of that, don't you think?
2 sandwiches? Maybe.
Think these are done now, Mom? We're on the edge of golden brown.
Yeah, those are probably done. They look wonderful. You know, and it's a great, nutritious, healthy vegetable.
It was.
Yes, we're frying it.
It was about 5 minutes ago.
In peanut oil. But, you know, you can't have everything. 2 out of 3 ain't bad. This is just gonna be so dadgum hot.
It's gonna be fire hot.
Look at that.
It's perfect. Whoa.
Yum. So good and hot.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.